a spec! Hey guys, welcome back in Sant'Agata Bolognese after many weeks. It's 8 AM and it's already 31 degrees outside. So let's go and catch some interesting Lambos. Oh, I think we have the first one. And it's a white Tecnica. Yellow Urus S. Nice. Another Urus incoming. And it's a Performante this time. Blue with the red calipers. Alright, the yellow Urus is back. Oh, I think we have an STO. Yeah, definitely. Interesting choice. Full black with the fluo calipers. Awesome. Alright, I can see something light blue incoming. Oh, it's a Tecnica. With the golden wheels and red calipers. Unfortunately, very slow start of the day. But we have a Urus. Blue Performante. Yeah, well, now back to the point. Very slow start of the car spotting day, unfortunately. With a lot of Urus or Uruses, I don't know. Huracan. Yeah, I mean, they are pretty cool, I know, but I'm here for the Revueltos. And maybe even some prototypes. Okay, the white Tecnica is back. Can you see the calipers? Nice. Oh, finally a Revuelto! Alright, not bad. Oh, another Huracan incoming. And it's another white Tecnica. Oh, the STO is back. Alright, so another Huracan STO? Yeah! Black with red accents and calipers. Pretty classic. Yo, check it out! Camouflage Urus hybrid? Probably. Nice. Now that was interesting. The other yellow Urus. Oh, check it out. Okay, it's been half an hour, but we have a Lambo. What a spec! Very nice. What the fuck? That's not a Lambo! Wow, Scuderia! Oh my god! Matte black with the red calipers. Yeah, it's a Performante. It's a matte grey Tecnica. Yeah, nice, with the black roof. Oh, another Tecnica. Wow, 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 very nice spec. Oh, wait a moment, because I think the Tecnica is coming back. Why? I'm pretty sure the test driver forgot something inside. It can happen. Okay, another Huracan. This looks like a yellow Tecnica. Oh, it's not yellow. Wow. Very, very, very nice spec. What is it? It's dark blue with yellow calipers and it's a Urus S. Pretty standard. Yeah, the day is getting a little better, but still just one Revuelto. Okay. Okay. Check it out. Talking about Revueltos. Okay, I think the blue Tecnica is back. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, very bright Urus incoming. Whoops, something's hiding behind the truck. Huracan, for sure. Oh, it's the purple Tecnica. Hell yeah, pretty cool. Okay, time for a black Revuelto. Alright, one of the Urus is coming back. And it's the matte black Performante. Okay, what do we have here? Tecnica? The one with the really beautiful color. And the blue one. Matte blue one. I think we have something very bright incoming. Yes, indeed, and we also have a Urus. Nice. Another interesting combo indeed. Oh, Revuelto. Oh, more Urus? Definitely a Performante with an interesting spec. And here we have the bright green Urus. More Urus. Finish on the Performante, pretty cool. Oh, okay, it's the Evo from before. Alright, black Revuelto is back. What is it? Oh, a normal Evo. With a very, very weird plate. Here it goes the Performante. Oh, wait a second. Huracan combo. Okay, I think we are done for today. I mean, at the end we spotted some pretty interesting cars, so I guess I can't complain today. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.